This is pretty much the home screen of the application. And you have a lot of things which you can draw from. You have the general section, you have the heroes section here, you have some characters which you can draw as well. You have Storm Riders characters which you can draw, and you can pretty much go at the top here and search for what you want to draw as well. So a lot of things which you can draw, but it all depends upon you and what you want. So in the category section, you may as well see a lot of things which you can draw over here as well. You have the character section, you have the hero section, pretty much what I've just explained earlier. So if you do tap on the text option here, as you can see here, you have text which you can pretty much write out as well. And you have a lot of text here, text styles or text prompts which you can use as well. So all depends upon what you want to do. So let's say, for example, you're ready to draw and you have choose, let's say, the turtle here. So I'm going to select the turtle option here. Once you have selected that, you pretty much will see a lot of creatures or animals which you can draw. So you can see here dolphin, dinosaurs, octopus, all type of stuff. But we're going to select this one here. Some of them we're going to need subscription to use. You can either use the camera stretch. It will just give you a blur type of image, and you can pretty much draw it on a piece of paper, or you can use the paper trace option. So if I do tap on this one here, it will just show you the camera setup and everything, and pretty much basic setup. So this one here, you're going to need to allow grand camera as well. But this will just, you can put the paper over the phone. Once you put the paper over the phone, you're going to see the trace, and you just follow it, and you'll be easily drawing the image. So very, very simple to use. So that's pretty much it here for pretty much all the setup for this application. Do keep in mind this application has a lot of ads. So while navigating through the application, you're going to encounter a lot of ads. So do keep that in mind. So if you want to remove the ads, you may need to get their pro subscription that they offer. You can tap on this here, it says get pro. And this is pretty much all their pro subscription. They have a weekly, monthly, and yearly subscription. As you can see here, this is the price. And they do offer a 3 days free trial for their subscription. So if you want to remove the ads, I recommend getting the pro subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And as well, once you finish, you'll be able to see those information or whatever you draw in the save section. Some of the drawings may need a subscription, so do keep that in mind as well. So if I do go back in the turtle section here, let me just load up this ads here, because as I said before, a lot of ads is on this application. I'm not joking. So once this ads is finished here, I'll just X off like that. So some of these here are gonna see a crown icon. These here are gonna need a subscription, as you can see here, to pretty much get access to these. So some of them on this application, you're gonna need a subscription to get access to those. But overall, it's a very, very good application, very easy to use. And as well, if you have something that you may want to draw, as well, you can tap on the plus icon here and import it, or you can take a picture, whatever the case is. It all depends upon you. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Nothing much. And if I missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know.